Hello. I am Mr. Wealth, your only wealth buddy, back with my weekly wealth nugget. In the previous episode, we discussed how procrastination can harm you financially. How about learning how to fight it? Let's discuss how to end procrastination once and for all. Where does procrastination come from? The first step is to understand where your procrastination comes from, where it came from, and what triggers procrastinating behaviors. Notice in which situations you procrastinate the most, which of these situations you feel most comfortable postponing tasks. Also note what your havens are when you are procrastinating, what activities you do when you are putting off important tasks. What is the reason for procrastination? Laziness? Tiredness? Pressure? Fear? It is important to identify what are the main reasons why you procrastinate. This way, you can understand the problem at its root and focus on solving it more effectively. Set financial goals. Having defined goals and objectives is very important for you to become a productive person and leave procrastination behind. Having a goal in mind is what will move all of your actions. Therefore, it is essential to have this objective. Have small goals. It is important to divide the main objective or goal into small goals. This is because you will be able to better manage these goals and will remain more disciplined. In addition, you will be closely monitoring your evolution in reaching your goal. Increase your productivity. Use some methods to increase your productivity during the day. This way, you can increase your productivity without wasting a lot of time on less important tasks. Plan your day. Finance. Plan your day the night before. List everything you need to do and determine the deadlines for each activity. These are ways to avoid procrastination and stick to your bigger goal. Procrastinating can damage your professional and financial plans, in addition to damaging your emotions.